very warm welcome. In this tutorial, I would explain you how to install VirtualBox, a virtualization software package, from Oracle. I am Porus Mehta, from Techno Consultant Academy, who would guide you through the entire installation process. To start with, let us first understand what is VirtualBox software application. VirtualBox is a software virtualization package that you can install on your operating system, just as you would a normal program. It supports the creation and management of virtual machines, into which you can install a second operating system. First and foremost, one needs to download the Oracle VirtualBox software from the Oracle website. The link to download the software has been mentioned within the comments sections. Once the software is downloaded, double-click on the exe file to begin with the installation of the software. Click the Next button to continue installation of the software. In the Custom Setup option, you can select the default locations or modify the path as desired by you. Once done, click the Next button to continue installation of the software. Click the Next button to continue installation of the software. On the network interface warning screen, select the Yes option to continue with the installation. Provide your confirmation to start installation by pressing the Install button. The installation process shall take around 2 to 3 minutes based upon your system architecture. Once the installation is complete, click the Finish button. Keep the checkbox ticked, so that one can verify if the installation is successful or unsuccessful. Once the installation is successful, the Welcome to VirtualBox screen shall be displayed. You are now good to go ahead with the installations of various operating systems that you wish. In my next video I shall guide you through the installation of various operating systems using VirtualBox virtualization software. Thanking you for watching my video. If you have liked it, please press the like button. You can also subscribe to my channel to receive the updates. If in case you have any queries, please do get in touch with me. My contact details are on the screen and also in the comments section.